Si Betty Joy. Pingit ko si Betty Joy. Pingit natin siya sa Victoria Tarlac. At kita tayo sa Victoria Tarlac. Then let's go. Kita nila magtutuloy kami putang Aurora at Valero. Ako ngayon sa Victory Liner. Baba ako ng Victoria Tarlac first class. Let's go. So, ang tayo na this Belly Joy. Belly Joy, ang tagal mo. Tayo kita dito. Ito, 7-Eleven Victoria. Lapit ito sa cementerio. So, saan yung multo dito? Multo, magpakita ka. Magpakita ka. Saan ka na? I'm waiting for you, multo. Sinata, may multo. May multong tricycle. Bakit? Mga lasing. Yan. Anyway. Saan na sila? Diba? Saan sila ngayon? May tulog ang guard. Tulog si Kuya Guard. Ang tagal. Parang puti-puti yung pa yun. Ewan natin kung pupunta siya dito. Kaya nga. Thinking. Baka may riding and tandem dito. Yeah. Riding and tandem. Kukunin ang maleta ko. Yeah, riding and tandem. Kunin mo yung maleta ko. Bill, para sa tagumpay, Bill. Johnny Boy, Jetro. Belly Joy! All set na.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Saan tayo? Pupunta tayo sa Baler. Mabilisan lang. As requested by my friend, Belly Joy. Malis kami ng ng 2:30 sa Cabarogis.
Road trip lang.
Oo. So, ETA namin is 5:35.
At least maliwanag pa yan.
Maliwanag pa. Mag-beats daw kami.
Yeah.
Mag-beats daw kami. Yeah. Ang nakalagay, Quirino and Baler trip in one day.
You and me, I will always dream about how it will be. To feel your arms around me, yeah, let it sink in. Yeah, I just let it sink in. You and me, wonder how it feels to have you cheek to cheek. But this is not reality, or let it sink in. Yeah, I just let it sink in. Always changing all the scenery. Oh, why I'm living in this fantasy? Don't know, let it sink in. Yeah, I just let it sink in. In a dream, you said you wanna buy me pretty little things. Take me around the world, nah, nah, let it sink in. Yeah, I just just let it sink in. Oh, I know it's such a sweet fantasy, but I can stay like this forever.
Morning. Say hi. Hi guys, hi guys.
Stage driver na. Si Carl na.
Pagkakataon na ni Belly Joy magpahinga.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Kasi na-enjoy na ni Billy yung ano yung scenery. Yung zigzag doon sa ano ba yun? Ano ba to?
Kasiguran.
Basta dyan sa road.
Baler Kasiguran Road.
Nagtipunan, Quirino, Aurora Road.
Okay, Aurora Road. Doon na-enjoy na ni Billy yung scenery. So, ngayon, patag na to. Wala na siyang pakialam.
Nag-drive na ako sa Tokyo.
Basta magano na yan.
Mas may makita ng resort dito.
Simula lang.
Simula na ang inuman.
Lang yan.
Si Jay, nakasalalay sila sa'yo.
Kaya nga mukha akong driver bukas
Play with
Okay.
Bin.
Dali, rain.
Rain, play with Bin Bin. Rain, play with Daddy. Rain, play with Tito Car.
Mukhang tilig na nila. Yeah.
Ayan.
Tilig na nila. Confirm na nila ang hotel natin.
Dapat may nakakasabay kahit pa paano.
Oo, dapat lang. Yun o, pawala na yung ulan no. Sarap. Mukhang inikot na nila pre ah.
Kaya
In-enjoy na yata nila. Hi. Hi. What you say? Say something. Say something. Hello guys.
Hello guys,
Where are you now?
swimming.
Huh?
swimming.
Swimming? What you will do? Huh?
Sit down, sit out.
Sige nga, i-ano mo yung my name.
Okay.
Wala.
My name is Swimming Pizza
Huh?
in Pipis.
God.
In course sila.
Hello po. Magkano po yung per room po?
5,000.
Ilang ano po yun? Good for...
6 to 8.
Sige, pwede ba i-check po muna namin? Sige.
Pangatlong resort na i-check namin. Sana okay na to. Ang resort na to. Sana.
Wait mo mami here and tata. Okay?
Hi guys.
Hi guys,
How are you? How are you?
so old,
Huh?
so old,
Huh?
so old,
So old?
so old,
Huh?
so,
How old are you?
so old.
2 years old. Okay. What's your name?
Living.
Why is daddy sleeping?
Daddy busy, daddy go walk.
Daddy tired? Daddy tired driving? Count numbers, count.
1,
Okay.
4,
Huh?
4,
1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10. Yay!
My name is Timmy.
Nivin?
No,
Your full name. What is your full name?
Joon.
Wala.
Wala.
Ano? The third is fail. Again.
Wala, Ben. Not allowed ka daw swimming, baby.
Ah, hindi daw pwede ba bata? Oh, not allowed daw baby. Paano yan?
Hanap tayo sa iba. Eh, naghanap pa rin kami ng resort.
Bella Joy. Oh. Isang hangin oh. Natatakot nga ako eh, baka maya ay, higupin ako eh. Oh. Yung alon no. Oh.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Morning.
Ay, papicture tayo dyan, Carl.
Oo, picture tayo dyan. Morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Ano yun?
It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Nakapagsibayan.
Libin.
Good morning, Bebe.
Morning. Morning.
Morning, guys.
Punta kami sa Pantabangan Lake. Joke.
Ah, meron doon dam ata. Oh.
Maganda yung Pantabangan Lake. Mm.
Right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Tingin ka pare-pareha.
Madaling araw, meron pa din ah.
Ayan, punta na kami sa Pantabangan Lake. Joke.
May nadadaanan tayo namin dun eh.
Huwag mo lang.
Morning, guys.
Morning guys. Say hi. Baler. The morning. Baler in the morning. Hello.
Morning,
Hello.
Baler.
Are you having fun? Even it's me and Billy have fun.
Yeah,
Did you see the video?
I haven't.
Ay, lugaw. Take away natin kan.
Si Binbin.
Yun, pansit rin, oh.
Bagong luto nga eh.
Yung bagong luto ng pansit, oh.
Morning, guys.
Welcome, say welcome to Baler. Say, welcome. Baler.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
So, tapos na mag-breakfast.
Kumikilos na ng mga tao sa Pilipinas.
Tapos na mag-breakfast.
Doon, alas 5 tulog pa.
Lugaw.
Bread.
Videoan nga natin to. Videoan nga natin. Ah.
I'm out of breath. You whisper gently to the silent trees. I won't forget. You know the secrets of the late night breeze. It's all pretend. Don't you worry now. Don't you worry now, my love. Your day was rough, an easy slip and then you're out the door. You had enough, these empty vows come again no more. Oh, it's all pretend, so don't you worry now, don't you worry now, all this soon will end. Don't you worry now, don't you worry now, my love.
It's a bang jam. May memory card ka pa, di ba? Nag-full na to. Oo. Road trippings. Itong magagawa na isang araw. 30 hours na tayo nag-biyahe, Bill, no? Tayo tatlo nila, Mard. Apat tayo, no?